Model, 70-plate Citroën Berlingo M Diesel 1.5 BlueHDi 650Kg Enterprise 7.5 PS, start-stop, ULEZ compliant. Low mileage. Darstruck spares OR repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 40,488. MOT, 6 January 2025. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RERDE2. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs okay, but it has a misfire. Basically the cambelt snaps, so the garage replaced the cambelt kit hoping it would be fine. To be fair to them, it does start and run fairly well, but it has a misfire and there is popping coming from the intakes, so it is definitely damaged a rocker or worst case scenario a valve. But either way, simple repair which is well worth putting the time in to get this beauty back to its former glory. Smiling face. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. First to see will definitely